Good morning. So now it's 2:45 a.m. I'm going to Chicago. Yes, you heard that right, because if you remember, I'm in Ohio Realtors Leadership Academy, and now we have an event in Chicago. And behind me you can see my listing signs, because I'm using my car to get to the airport, because the Uber would cost me 25 bucks. So 25 bucks there, 25 bucks there is 50 bucks, and the garage for one day is $25, and I'm staying in Chicago for just one night. So this made perfectly sense. And the reason I have my listing signs over there is because I closed on two of my listings yesterday, and I just didn't have time to put those in my storage room. So yeah, let's go. It's one of those things like, where should I park, where should I park? It doesn't really matter too much. I wonder how much would it cost to sell the airport. I mean, I'm gonna do the full video on my channel probably sometimes. How much one airport does cost, full breakdown. So I brought my own coffee because now we have a really nice espresso machine, and we are buying the beans from the local coffee shop. And it makes more sense to make your own coffee than to pay 6 bucks for Starbucks. I don't want to sound cheap, but that's just the way it is. I always loved airplanes, and if I'm not in real estate, I would probably be a pilot, but I tried to fly one time, and it's like an intro flight. I was driving a small Cessna 172, and I'll be probably getting a private pilot's license sometimes in the future. But being a pilot like commercial airlines pilot, I think that just becomes another 9 to 5 job, in my opinion, if you do that. And it will prevent me to do real estate, but doing real estate doesn't prevent me to become a pilot, if that makes sense. I mean, this is the only place where I can eat Chick-fil-A at 3 a.m. So I took 2 biscuits, chicken biscuits, and I have some hash browns. This should keep me full until, let's say, 10, 11 a.m. Then I'll have some breakfast probably, we'll see. So right now I'm going to pick up the car rental. I couldn't fall asleep on the airplane, and the guy 2 seats next to me was sleeping the whole way. I'm kind of jealous. So the reason I got BMW X5 is, number one, I'm a really tall guy, I need something that's spacious, and number two, I'm actually thinking about purchasing this one for myself. This is going to be like a test drive, 2 days, I mean 1.5 days I'm gonna be driving this machine to see how it works, and I like it so far. It's very spacious, it's very luxurious. There is a big storage in the back, of course, the trunk is huge, and just looks nice. I can imagine myself driving something like this, or if not this, I have one more car that I'm looking to purchase in the future. But yeah, so we have 1 hour to the hotel, and then after that I'll see if I have time to grab a breakfast somewhere or to drink a coffee, and then we have classes that's gonna run throughout the day, and in the evening we have some kind of activities. Just imagine if you go like this every day. Like, we are going 10 miles an hour for the past 30 minutes, and I have 26 more minutes to go. So it took me, instead of 1 hour, which is also like a big time for this distance, it took me 1 hour and 30 minutes almost. So yeah, I mean, it's crazy. Big city, you know. All right, room tour. It's not bad. It's not bad. Very decent. Very decent. And I have a view that's blocked by a giant TV. I have a nice view. So this is called the sky level in Realtors building. Hey, how are you?
I'm great, sir.
Yeah, this is the best guy ever. Yeah, see, they built this and it's so cool. Scott, what do you think about the sessions? How was it?
I think they've been really good. I think some of them were more, I think, informative than others, but maybe that's something to do with my interest. But I'm very glad to know the different things about NAR, things I didn't know already.
Exactly, and the building is so cool. I mean, look at this.
This is like the United Nations. This is so cool.
I know, yeah.
And they rent it out. I'd like to figure that out.
Very good.
Yeah, so now the next speaker is gonna come up. This is Morgan. She says she needs to do more social media. There we go. There it is.
Here I am.
Yeah. Yeah, copy. So what did you think about the sessions?
They were great sessions, and I'm excited for what leads us the next one.
Yeah. We'll see. The building is so cool.
Oh, the building's phenomenal.
Wherever I went, I had my own pen. George, your home sold for the highest price. So these are the archives of National Association of Realtors. Yeah, so you see. 1923. That's crazy. 16th annual convention board. Wow. So now we are all done with sessions and everything. I'm gonna take a quick walk around to see what's up, and then I'm going to go to meet with one of the agents. She's my friend and she's with EXP as well. So we are going to have a lunch, and after that I'm going to the airport. It's a very sunny day here in Chicago. I like it, but it's very windy as well. You know how they say for Chicago, it's the windiest city in the US. We had a tour of the Realtor building. I mean, the Realtor Association, the national headquarters, it's just one of the organizations that's in that building. They also have like 5 other tenants. They built the whole thing, as I filmed. They built a whole new floor up there where all the meetings are and all important decisions are made there. Walking down Chicago, very nice. So I have 20 more minutes before I need to head out. So I'm going to try to see the bean. Last time I saw it, but it was really windy and it was raining. So now I'm going to try to take a picture there, just so I can have it, you know. Ohio Realtors Leadership Academy is done. The session was amazing. I like it so far. It's very windy, it's very cold, but I like Chicago. Chicago is one of the best cities I've been to. Next to New York, of course. How are you? Yeah, this is George. Hey, Michelle. Yes, so we listed this 3 days ago, but we have 4 offers so far. There's a deadline for tomorrow. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, I mean, you can just go and show the property and let me know what you guys think. Okay, how's everything? How's family? Good? Okay, thank you. Let me know when you sign it and I'll send it to the agent and they're going to present it to the seller. Yeah, I'm always doing deals. So we are under contract to purchase 1 property, and then this guy, oh, look at this. So cool. And I found 1 more off-market property for this investor, so we are going to be looking to purchase that one as well. So I'm now negotiating a deal for them. And if I take a seat here? Okay. So the thing is, like, it has a full bathroom downstairs, basically. Full bathroom downstairs. I'm not sure if you saw the video. And okay, mission accomplished. I was here, very close by, so I just wanted to stop by and see this. I got myself a coffee. Good man Yusuf from a coffee shop made this one for me. Yeah, I met so many people. Yeah, that's basically it. It's a very, very famous attraction, as you can see. Hey man, can you hold the camera?
Just hold.
Yeah, just go. Don't start running. Don't start running.
No.
All right. There we go. Famous bean. I finally made it in life. Do you mind if I film? What do you guys do?
I do music.
No way, man. Do you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah, my artist name is A Damn Killer, and then on TikTok I'm A Damn Who They Want, and then on Instagram I'm also A Damn Killer.
All right. So is this like the part of your music spot? Music like video?
No, this is for he's doing content, but I'm also doing content for it too.
How much do you charge for haircut?
Usually I charge 75.
75.
Yeah, but I'm all the way in Gurnee where Six Flags is, like an hour away.
What's your name on socials?
10 Fades.
10 Fades. Okay. Awesome, well, you look good, man. All right. Good luck. See ya. We were at these classes all day, basically, from 9:30 to 4, and then I came to the room just to finish some work, and now we are heading to the dinner. Looking forward to that, and also I'm very tired because I haven't slept for, let me tell you. So I woke up at 2:20 a.m. and then I drove to the airport. I haven't slept in the airplane. Yes, I don't know what I'm talking about because I'm very dizzy. So I'm putting my luggage together. I woke up at 8 a.m. I forgot to turn on the alarm, so I had to rush to breakfast because I just passed out last night. I had to rush to breakfast, and then I had breakfast really fast, and now I'm going to Realtor headquarters building again to finish up the sessions, and we are supposed to be done at noon. I have a lunch at 1, and then I'm gonna go to the airport. Good morning, Chicago. Such a beautiful morning. How come always the last day the weather is the best? That happens all the time to me, and I heard other people are saying when you go on vacation or somewhere, the last day it's always the nicest weather. But I'm here for only 2 days, so it doesn't really matter too much. So I came to this Serbian restaurant with one of the agents. This is Julia. She's the best in Chicago if you guys want to buy and sell. And we are, give her a call. So we just had lunch, and now I'm heading to the airport to go home to Ohio. Alright, Chicago, till next time. See you.